Hey, have you heard about the latest from Muse? They've recently dropped the Muse S Athena. It doesn't just give you a vague, you're focused or you're relaxed reading. It actually measures the work your brain is doing in real time. Think of it like a fitness tracker, but instead of tracking steps, it's tracking brain power. Here's how it works. It uses EEG sensors to monitor your brain's electrical activity and functional near-infrared spectroscopy technology to track how much oxygen your frontal cortex is using. In simple terms, it's checking both how your brain is firing and how much energy it's using. On top of that, PPG sensors measure your heart rate, gyroscopes track your posture, and accelerometers monitor your breathing. So it's not just keeping an eye on your cognitive performance, it's giving you a full body wellness check. But the coolest part, it's not just about tracking, it actually helps you train your brain. One of the standout features is an interactive game where you control an owl with your focus. Stay locked in, and the owl soars. Lose concentration? It glides down. It's like a brain-powered video game, turning mental training into something fun instead of just another stat on an app. And if you're wondering about sleep, this headband doesn't just track the basics. It monitors brain oxygenation, SpO2 levels, and delta wave activity, giving you a deep dive into your sleep quality. It even tracks sleep stages light, deep, and REM with precision that could rival medical-grade devices. Plus, it might help detect early signs of sleep disorders like sleep apnea, which most wearables struggle to do. Of course, wearing a headband all day or to bed might not be for everyone. But for those who want real insights into their cognitive health, focus, and sleep, the Muse S Athena takes brain tracking to a whole new level. And let's be honest, controlling an owl with your mind, that alone makes it worth checking out. Here are some of its technical specs. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 on a 2.4 GHz connection and lasts up to 10 hours per charge with a quick 3-hour recharge. Weighing just 41 grams, it's designed for all day and overnight wear. Compatible with iOS 15 Plus and Android 8 Plus via the Muse app, it's available now on the official Muse website and select retailers. Well, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.